Good morning, fourth grade. Hope you're getting a little dance break this morning. Come on. Ready? What is it? It's a good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day after the best weekend ever. Let us know how your weekend was. It is time for Secret Codes. Yes, we still have school. We have school till May 21st, but don't you worry. We have so much fun packed into the next couple weeks. So make sure you keep tuning back in for secret codes and secret challenges this week. When? Every time you submit a piece of work, you get to vote for me or for Miss Bannister. Whoever has the most votes at the end of the week gets a pie to the face. We will do it on our Friday Zoom call, but we will also record it and put it on YouTube for any of you who can't be on the Zoom. Also, we have something new. Everybody say something new. We have Fun Fridays. Fun Free Friday. What? Fun Free Friday. On Friday, there will not be a video because you can use it for a catch-up day. So if you are all finished with all of your work, you get to take Friday off. If you need Friday to finish up some work and get some things submitted so you can vote for the pie face, great. And don't forget, every day, if you turn in the answer to the mystery number and the riddle, we will send you the secret word. All right, let's look at our work for the week, shall we? First of all, you got a new schedule. All things new this week. So you got a new schedule that looks like this. This helps you know what you should be doing every day. So reading, we're going to read 20 to 30 minutes a day. Read the Scholastic articles of the day, and that tells you how to get there. I'm also going to show you in just a second. If you also have a book that you're reading, do both. Read an article and read your own book. Then for writing, we need to get ready for writing for fifth grade. You're going to write about what you read. You're going to what? Write about what you read. Good job. So you can write a summary using first, next, then, and last. We also need you to please use capital letters and end marks. Also, watch out for the sneaky caps lock key. No screaming at us in all capital letters. For math, we're going to do the secret code video of the day. Every day it's going to go over new math skills, and some of them are going to be easier than others. If you need help, what? If you need help. If you need help, text your teacher or make a comment on Google Classroom or ClassDojo or even on ClassKick, and we can set up a Zoom with you, or we can hop on the phone and help you out with any of those problems. Then on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, pick something off the choice board. Don't forget about those weekly rewards. Miss Bannister and I are also hopping on Zoom tonight. We have been practicing Renegade and some other dances because we did have 30 pieces of work turned in last week. All right, let's look at the choice board, shall we? The choice board, there's some really fun stuff on here this week. At the bottom, you can see where it says to make an origami creation. You can build a tall tower. And also, there are some games. My favorite is Netflix and Learn. There's a bunch of really cool series that have been released on Netflix, so watch them and then write 4 facts and illustrate them just like we used to do 4 corner facts. Matthew, shout out to Matthew, also gave us a really cool idea. He threw some bread outside his window and then watched the birds that came up. So if you have some old bread, or if you have some crackers or something that birds could eat, just kind of sprinkle them outside a window and then see what happens. And you can also illustrate and write about that. There's also do a directed drawing, or you can free draw this week, play a word game, record yourself. Oh, my favorite one, 4th grade, create a recording of yourself using your public speaking skills. So remember, look people in the, speak with a leadership voice, and work that room. being funny. So you can tell some jokes, you can make a funny commercial, or you can excuse me, make up your own comedy routine. So send us the video. If the video is too long, if the video is what? Too long, you can upload the link to YouTube and I can help you out with how to keep that private. Just let me know if you need help. All right. Give us Anna, you're so cool. This choice board right here should say watch a movie and choose an activity, and you get to change the ending. You can record it on Classkick or write it out. You can summarize the movie in 5 sentences, or you can illustrate a scene and add some speech bubbles. If you are interested in Story Creator, let me know. Shout out to Kalen. He made a really cool book about jaguars on Story Creator this week. All right, let's look at secret codes. So over here, if you've been noticing, this slide is always going to have something secret on it. So if you missed some from last week, we left them up so you can go check. This week, we're looking at Morse code. We're looking at what? For today. So if you look over here, these dashes and dots are Morse code, and they also have a word associated with them and a number. So practice writing your name and other secret messages in Morse code. All right, here is the number detective. The secret number has 4 digits. It has how many? Okay, so let's go over that place value. It's going to be the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Let's do that again. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Good. I like to draw those out on my paper when I'm doing the number detective. Okay, the digit in the tens place and the hundreds place are the same. I usually like to just make a little dot under the tens and a dot under the hundreds to remind me that if I figure out one of them, I've got both of them. To find the digit in the ones place, subtract 53 from 62. Which number is going to go on top? Bigger number on top. How many sides does a triangle have? That's the number in the hundreds place. Don't forget what you know about the hundreds and the tens. The number in the thousands place is 49 less than 53. Less than. Would that be adding or subtracting? What is the secret number? Good luck figuring that out, 4th grade. Let's look at the riddle. Divide to find the quotients. Mere words? Quotient. The answer to a division problem. Don't forget we do division as a slash because sometimes the division symbol is a slash. Okay, so these are pretty easy, and if you made your fact family cards the other day, then you can use those to help you out. You can also skip count. So 35 divided by 7, if you're super fast with your facts, hopefully you know automatically that is 5. If at any point you get stuck, you could count by 7s until you get to 35. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And that would tell me that the other number is 5. The quotient is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. And 35 divided by 5 is 7. Great job. Okay, so solve all of these. This might be a really easy one for you if you know your facts, and that's okay. Division facts are a great thing to practice. You can also hop on Reflex Math, and you can also hop on ABCYA to get some extra math practice if you feel like you need some more. Okay, let's look at our reading for this week, 4th grade. Dun, dun, dun. Don't forget, I'm going to type in Scholastic Learn at Home. And if I want to, I can even type in week 3, since that's the week that we are on this week. It's going to pop right up. I'm going to find grade 3 through 5. Don't forget, there's some great craft things right here. All right, and I'm going to go down to day 11. Now, you, of course, can read any of the articles from this site, but if you want to read with other 4th graders, we are going to be on day 11 for Monday. We're going to be on day what? Day 11. All right, so this says this is a record-breaking roller coaster in Built for Thrills. So anytime it is blue, I can click that and get to the article. I'm going to click on this. If you're having trouble getting to Scholastic at Home, you can absolutely hit pause on this video and read from the screen. You can also go back and pause on the choice board. You can also go back and pause on the math problems to work those out on paper. Now, the cool thing about reading it on the site is that if you hit Open Magazine View or Text to Speech, it will read it to you. So if you can get to this website, I would highly recommend clicking on it and going there instead of reading it on the screen, because there's going to be lots of cool extra features. Lots of what? Cool extra features. You guys are killing it this morning. Okay, so as you can see in magazine view, I can now click on different words and it will tell me what those mean. So those might be my wonky words. And I can also click here and listen to it read. So all I have to do is hit read to me. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and then it will read to me. I can also click here to watch a video. So this is built for thrills. If you need to hit pause and read it from here, go ahead and do that. Or you can find Scholastic Learn at Home by going through your internet browser. Here is a cool video that they're going to show us about roller coasters and the science that goes into them.
Record roller coasters.
So make sure you watch that. There's some really cool facts about roller coasters. Okay, so boys and girls, all you cool cats and kittens, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Monday. If you need the choice board, be sure to check out Google Classroom, ClassKick, or ClassDojo. All of your materials that you need for the week are there, along with the Zoom codes for Monday and Friday. Be watching for a special Zoom opportunity on Wednesday. We got a lot of feedback from you saying that Mondays and Fridays were not good, so we're going to experiment this week and find a time where we can get the most fourth graders there. We love you big. If you need any help with that math or reading, please shoot us a message and we will help you with that. Parents and families, please let us know if you have any questions or if you need any help with school for your student. We love you a lot and we can't wait to see what all you have learned today on this wonderful Monday. Happy Monday.